We'll guide you through how to use Blender shortcut keys to enhance your workflow efficiency. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your desktop. Once you're in Blender, understanding shortcut keys can save you a lot of time. Let's start with some basic navigation. You can use the middle mouse button to rotate your view and hold Shift while using the middle mouse button to pan. To zoom in and out, you can scroll with the middle mouse wheel. Now, when you're modeling, you might want to quickly switch between different modes. Press Tab to toggle between Object Mode and Edit Mode. When you're in Edit Mode, pressing A will select or deselect all elements. If you want to extrude, which is crucial for creating new geometry, use the E key. For moving objects, press G, and you can constrain this movement to a specific axis by pressing X, Y, or Z immediately after. To rotate, press R, and to scale, press S, again using X, Y, or Z to limit the operation to an axis. Now, if you want to duplicate an object, just press Shift plus D, and your object will be duplicated in the scene. For quick snapping, holding the CTRL key while transforming objects will snap to the grid. If you're working with materials and textures, you can quickly open the shader editor by pressing Shift plus F3. To quickly render your scene, press F12. You can also toggle the Properties panel by pressing N, which gives you access to various tools and settings. Using the outliner is another vital part of managing your scene. You can press CTRL plus UPROO to maximize any window, which is handy when working with complex scenes. Remember, mastering these shortcuts will significantly improve your speed and productivity in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.